You talk about consistency a lot, and you don't talk about standardization. And I think it's really, really powerful to use those words. Talk to me about them. Talk to me about consistency, standardization, and what the difference is.
There is nothing standard about what we do in TMF because we do it in 95 different countries and we have to adapt to the lord of the land.
Yeah, okay.
Basically, the government or the regulators that dictate the way that a service should be provided or the controls that should be followed for a service that is provided. So can we standardize? No. That doesn't mean, however, that we cannot be consistent. Consistency is key for client experience, or how we like to call it, for flawless service. As a process or a service delivery can lack standard, but be consistent. Let me explain. The way that an output is produced can be different, but there's nothing stopping us from making sure that the output itself, be it a filing, be it a regulatory report, or any other service that we provide, looks, feels, and potentially even smells the same way.
Right. Okay. So if we're providing, we're running one of these services, consistency means that if we produce an output, whether it's, let's say it's a mem and arts in a jurisdiction, then we call it the same thing. Yeah. But how we produce it, that's what's governed by the law of the land in that country.
How we produce it can be completely different.
Yeah.
It could go through either one hand in one country, that means that one person can produce the entire output, or it might be that we need 5 or 6 people involved, each one of them doing a portion of the output. But it doesn't mean that we can't call it the same way or make it visibly the same for a client once he or she receives it from TMF.
And I'm guessing that getting to that consistency is key to solving for that visibility problem, because it gives you a way of saying visibility of what? That consistent definition tells you what you're actually looking at.
Correct. You cannot be consistent if you don't have the visibility of the services that you're delivering, or the volume of the services that you're delivering, for that matter.